So this time the rumors are true. Realme Pad is now here. Official sales will be starting from September 16. So you can finally place order for your new Realme Tab will be available from September 16. There is not a good like specification for this tablet because it's a beginner tablet, and I think you should expect, or you could say there are certain cutoffs for this price. So let's go through what are the specifications are there in the tablet. First of all, we will be coming to the specs, or you can say the pricing. So the Realme Pad starts, I'm telling about the Wi-Fi version, it starts from 14,000, and if you pay 2,000 rupees extra you get the 4G one, like Wi-Fi plus 4G. So whenever you get the Realme Pad, you will getting three variants: the Realme Pad 3 and the Realme Pad 4. The Realme Pad 3 comes with two variants, that is a 3 plus 32 gigs and 3 plus 32 gigs plus Wi-Fi plus 4G. Means the base variant will be getting only the Wi-Fi, that will cost you around 14,000 rupees, and if you're going to get the 3 plus 32 gigs with Wi-Fi plus 4G, then you are going to at around 2000 rupees extra, that will cost you around total of 16,000 rupees. And coming to the Realme Pad 4, that is 4 plus 64 gigs, comes with Wi-Fi plus 4G. So you're not getting any other choice on the Realme Pad 4. You're getting only one variant available for that particular series, that is the 4 plus 64 gigs plus Wi-Fi and 4G, or you could say Wi-Fi plus cellular option, like that, and that will cost you around 18,000 rupees. So by adding just 2,000 rupees extra, you are getting only 1 GB of extra RAM and plus 32 gigs of extra storage with Wi-Fi plus 4G. So I think you should better opt out for the 4G version, or you could say the 4GB plus 64 gigs version of Realme Pad, and I think that will be most useful for you guys. And coming to the latest specification, we have got, like, let me see, actually I cannot remember all the specifications since I am making the video myself and I am not quite prepared for like memorizing all that extraordinary features this tablet has got. So let's continue. So for the design, it is like 6.9 mm thin. It's not ultra slim, it's slim than most of the tablet coming in this section. It has got WXGA, that stands for widescreen ultra extended graphics array display. It's a kind of display resolution that is of 2000 into 1200 by pxi, and it has got a screen to body ratio of 82.5%. yes, you do get to see certain kind of bezels around the corners. It's not that slim enough, I mean I am talking about the bezels, but it's thin and it's quite understandable coming to this price segment. Now for the battery section, you have got a big 7100 megahertz battery, that is 71 megahertz battery you could say, a Helio G80 gaming processor. You could game, but that RAM which they provide can cause you a little bit of trouble. But the quad speaker system which they are delivering comes with a Dolby Atmos specification, so you get a quite good, clear and vibrant noise coming out from the speaker of Realme Tab 3 as well as Tab 4. And it has got 8 megapixel wide angle camera in the back and 5 megapixel camera at front for your Skype calls or any kind of video conferencing or taking selfies from your tablet. For the Android experience, you get Realme UI experience with top Android 11 in front, dual mic clear voice as well as face recognition at front. So that was pretty much it for Realme Tab 4. It's not like any big specification that this tablet provide at this budget. As I mentioned earlier, this is a budget tablet and I should say that you shouldn't expect more from it. But yes, if you are a guy looking for a good tablet under 18,000 or 19,000 rupees, or you could say at a plain sight of under 20,000 rupees, I think Realme Tab 4 will be the good choice for you, since the display is also nice. You get full HD plus display, the speakers are also good, vibrant, deep, clear noises. You get type C port, you also get a headphone jack, you also get 18-watt reversible fast charging, and you also get the smart connect technology of Realme UI. Like you can connect to any nearby smartphones, you can cast screen onto Realme smart TV or any kind of smart TV which you have got at home. You can also get the open up auto connection pair up mode for the AirPods, and you also can like unlock the smart band, smartwatch, as well as the tablet or smartphone from your Realme Pad. And the main feature is a display. So the display and the speaker is quite well built in this tablet. So for the price, I think it has got your back. So guys, that will be pretty much it for the video. I think this tablet is for like content consumption, not for too much gaming, but yes, they have provided a gaming processor so you can game on it. So anyways guys, that will be pretty much it for the video, and that is the total review for the Realme Pad. So guys, it's Nadi once again just signing out. Till then, keep calm, have a great day, and I'll be providing all the details in the link in the description below, so you can just check it out. So it's Nadi once again just signing out. Till then, keep calm, have a great day, and see you at the next one.